You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly from Norse mythology, the goddess associated with apples and youth. If you want to learn more names from Norse, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced in Norse languages as Idunn, Idunn, Idunn. How to pronounce Idunn. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.